What is going on, guys? Today is super cold. I mean, not super cold, it's cold. It's -2 Celsius, so I'm gonna wear my gloves because the switch pod is metal and it's really cold holding it during this weather. So I wanted to take my one wheel, but for some reasons at this weather my one wheels won't work. It keeps saying all the time like, hey, you need more juice. I assume that's because of too cold outside for the one wheel battery, but I mean, like, I have like 80% battery left and it's just saying it's cold. I don't like when it's snowing outside. I mean, the snow on the floor, and it's super sunny, because it gets so bright that you can't even look while you're driving or walking like me right now. Crazy blinding me, like. But I'm going just here, try to go carefully with these moccasins on the snow and talk about some GoPro mods, the new thing that I found out. This new mod that I'm talking about, look at it. It's all ice in here, so beautiful. Maybe I should go get my drone and send it in here. Try to hover around it. But anyways, this new mode, it's this. Watch this. It's a GoPro media mode or mode media. It's a cool feature to have in GoPro. You have to choose, you know, because this thing is not for everyone. And I'll tell you why. Here is first reason. So you have to think if you need this or not. This is just the module that goes right here. It just goes on top of the, in GoPro. Oh, my glove got stuck. It goes inside. Let's pull it out like this. See? So you take off the lid that you have on your actual GoPro that keeps your battery and memory card closed, and then you just put it in this one all the way and then lock it. That's it. So the only reason about this is whenever I'm driving in my car, to have my EOS R with the Rode mic on it, with like switch pod or gorilla pod, and try to hold it, and let's say you stop at the light and your friend pull up, you want to take out through the window just to take a picture. You can't really do it because the gorilla pod keep touching you, so it doesn't fit. You have to lift it. When you're lifting it, your mic touching the roof, so it's too big of the setup to record inside of the car. So for that they have a GoPro. Yes, everybody gonna say you can use it just a GoPro by itself, it's nice and stuff, but the reason why I got this is because of this shotgun mic. It has it has 2 mics and the windproof. Whenever I'm gonna be in a car, this is gonna give me way better sound quality than the original GoPro mic. Let's think differently. What's the point of the action camera? Is to record something in action. For example, like racings, climbing, hiking, jumping off the plane, anything that is have to do with action, and you cannot put your DSLR or mirrorless camera on it because it's too heavy. The other thing is that it has cold shoes, 2 of the cold shoes. Yes, you don't need them on the action camera, but with this I'm already getting a better quality sound than the actual mic in the GoPro. You can connect to this aux. I'm calling it aux, I don't know what it's called, it's like 3.5 millimeter. You can connect your, let's say, Rode mic to it and then hook it up right here on one of the sides, the cold shoes, and record even better quality audio. But you don't need to use that because this one is better than the original one. For some people, you need to sacrifice if you want better quality audio or waterproof, because this one is not waterproof. Right now all the ports open, mic is open, so if you drop it, like let's say in the snow, you don't know if it's gonna continue working or not. So You decide. You want waterproof GoPro or you want a good quality sound. Whenever you're recording something in action, you don't need to have a good sound. You just can use the original sound that comes with the GoPro, and it's gonna be more than enough, because you're gonna put music over it and people gonna care about the image quality and how it looks like from first person, instead of hearing what's going on in there. This is the best setup for vloggers. Let's say, like I said, for me, when I'm in the car, I'd rather have this because it's small, tiny, it's not gonna hit anything, instead of this huge setup, and it's gonna be fast and easy. I just click record and that's it, and it's standing right there, and the quality of the sound gonna be better than the actual mic. The other cool thing is that I can attach any light to it, like LED light, and then in my car it's so dark, it's like 2 layers of tint, it's black, and with my camera I have to get the ISO up, and then if I want to use a mic I cannot have any light with me, so I need to buy the adapters, set it up light and stuff like that. But with the GoPro it has already 2 cold shoes, so you put it in one, your mic for example, or don't even put it, and the other one you put a light, and with this light you're gonna have better quality picture, less ISO, so people gonna like it, and you're gonna have better quality sound. This is how it looks. Like I said, all the ports open, cold shoe on top, on the side, mic, you can choose the back and the front, windproof, and on the bottom the original mount. Now what I want to do is I want you guys to remember this sound coming out from my EOS R with my Rode Mic Pro Plus, and I'm gonna switch to this GoPro, to this front mic, and I want you guys to see the difference. It's gonna be real good quality of the sound, and then I'm gonna take it off and just use the plain one, the original mic from GoPro. And then if you want to, I'll probably hook it up my Rode Mic Plus. I just want you guys to see the difference, how good this small mic makes the difference compared to original sound. Sound of original GoPro mic. This is how it sounds using just the original one, without any modes or microphones. This sound right now with the mod media on the GoPro, the one that I just installed, and this is how it sounds. My glove again in my hand because I was taking out my mod before. This is how it sounds with the mic on. And now let's switch to Rode Mic Plus. Rode Mic Plus, the one that I'm using on my Canon, is right here. It looks ridiculous, and I know you guys can see this windshield proof, the dead cat, and this is how it sounds with it. But I mean, this setup looks so weird. I mean, if people gonna see you outside somewhere, they're gonna be like, what is this guy doing with his action camera and this huge mic on it? But this is how it sounds. So hopefully you guys like this difference in the sound, because I didn't see the videos yet, but yesterday at home I was trying around, testing all the different ones. I even did one mistake. I put my Rode Mic Mini on my GoPro with the cable that goes to smartphone. It has at the end 3 rings, and the cameras have 2 rings, and I plug it in the GoPro, and it didn't record any sound. So I forgot about the cable. I was trying to figure out what's going on, and then I was like, oh okay, that was the problem. I forgot, just like spaced it out, but I figured it out, and today I record with the Rode mic, and I'm telling you guys, it's a huge difference, because external mic is gonna be better, but again, it's an action camera, you don't need sound in there. This is a setup, is more like I said, for me, for my car, to record it inside of my car whenever I'm riding with my friends, record something quick, drift a corner or something. This is the best thing, because with my camera, everything manual, by the time I set it up, all the stuff already happened, so it's no point in that. But I'll be using this GoPro now more often with this module, and I'm gonna use it in my car all the time. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. This is it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next. Subscribe.